At the end of this video, we will cover how to install Inkscape. But first, let's explore paths, objects, and groups within the software. We will open a file containing elements from the Sigillin app, though these steps apply to any SVG file.
Here, we see a group of elements used in our symbols. When we click them, the status bar at the bottom confirms that this is a group. To separate them, go to the Object menu and select Ungroup, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+U. After selecting an item, you can check the status bar again to see if it is now an individual object.
To change the fill color, select an object with a left click, then choose a color from the palette below. To remove the fill entirely, click the X symbol to the left of the color boxes. You can also expand the palette on the left to access more color options.
To change the stroke color, select the object, then right-click your desired color in the palette and choose Set Stroke. By clicking the three dots, you can toggle the visibility of various tool layers.
If you select an object and click the area next to the stroke color in the bottom left corner, you can adjust the stroke width and other properties. Finally, remember that you can undo your actions just as you would in any other standard software.
Now, let's open other files containing Sigillin elements to create our final magic crest. We will ungroup the elements until we reach the specific objects we need. To remove multiple unwanted objects at once, left-click and drag the mouse to draw a selection rectangle around them, then delete.
To navigate the workspace, you can zoom in and out via the View menu, or simply hold the Control key while using the mouse wheel. Holding the Shift key while scrolling moves the screen left and right, while using the mouse wheel alone scrolls up and down.
Next, we will select objects from our other Sigillin files and copy them into this workspace. To reposition an element, simply click and drag it. To resize an object, use the arrows around its border. Remember to hold the Control key to resize proportionally. Clicking the object a second time switches the arrows to rotation mode.
For perfect alignment, we can drag guidelines from the top and left rulers to mark the center of our composition. Finally, this icon at the top controls whether the stroke width scales automatically when the object is resized.
Objects always rotate around their center of origin. To arrange our runes around the crest, we must place this origin at the center of our circle. By clicking an object twice, a small crosshair appears. We can then drag this cross to our desired position. The object will now rotate around this new point.
For precise adjustments, navigate to the Object menu, select Transform, and then Rotate. This opens a panel on the right where you can enter the exact numerical degree for your rotation.
If you wish to create original objects, select the Shape tools from the sidebar on the left. For custom paths, use the Bézier Curve or the Freehand tool. Double-clicking to complete the path. Then, use the Node tool to select a point and set it to smooth. This provides handles that allow you to precisely manipulate the flow of your curve.
These steps are all you need to create your own powerful crests using Sigillin elements. You can save your masterpiece in several vector formats, or export it as a high-resolution bitmap for your final digital ritual.
You can install Inkscape directly from the official website at inkscape.org. If you prefer not to install software directly onto your system, you can also run it from a USB drive or a specific folder on your disk.
To do this, visit portableapps.com, navigate to Apps, then Graphics and Pictures, and search for Inkscape. Simply run the downloaded installer file to set it up on your USB key or chosen directory. This method allows you to use the full power of Inkscape without altering your system files or other Windows features.
While this tutorial was designed to help Sigillon users create their own magic crests, I hope it served as a helpful introduction to Inkscape for any creator.
Sigillon.
The geometry of a silent language. The Sigillon suite consists of several different apps. By combining our sigils with various scripts and choosing the symbolic meanings we desire, we can create truly unique emblems and seals. How to use the other apps in the suite and how to build your own art using these vector files is covered in other videos here on this channel. To find Sigillon, simply search for Theo Spiller in your favorite browser and head to the official website. From there, select the Sigillon image and click Start Creating. You'll then have access to the full suite of apps to begin crafting your own masterpieces. Don't forget to visit the Sigillon store on Zazzle. There, you can apply your own emblems to an extensive collection of apparel, or browse through Theo Spiller's own designs, with new pieces being added all the time.